Hi Geminis, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 3rd of August to 9th of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, so let's see what do my Geminis have for this week from 3rd to 9th of August. Please, for my Geminis, last shuffle. Let's see now. At the back of the deck, it's 3 of Wands, the Hierophant and the Empress. Alright, so might be waiting for someone over here whom you feel is your better half or something more stable. You know, the stability has not come up in your life yet, so more of stability is yet to come. That is why you are waiting. Might be dealing with a Taurus, a strong Taurus, because the Hierophant and Empress both are your sorry. Okay, let's go. All right, so your core energy is Page of Swords and the blockage is the Moon. This is something huge. This is not something just like that. I really feel that something is hidden over here. There's something, some kind of a communication, some kind of an information, you know, because with the Page of Swords is the who gathers information. So someone is gathering some information, but it is hidden. It's not coming up. So something is happening. Like somebody is stalking someone. We'll clarify. So your subconscious energy is the Chariot over here, moving on, but not showing in your conscious energy. You know, your subconsciously you are doing. It's like it's you who is hiding something. It's like, because there's a lot of things over here, because it's with the conscious energy as 9 of Wands. I'm feeling that somewhere deep down you are not showing anyone that you are progressing, you are not doing, but inside your head you are actually doing. You are moving on from a situation which is not visible to everyone. 7 of Wands in your past energy, you have taken a stand for yourself, but still you are confused in your future. We'll clarify. There's some kind of ending. You are done with something. With the 10 of Swords, I'm seeing. That is what you are not showing to anyone. You have ended something. You are done with something, but you are not telling anyone. You are moving on from a situation, but you are not telling anyone. It is a hidden energy, because you are showing that I'm just being me. It's like that. With the High Priestess, there the people around you, they might know what you are going through or what you are doing, because this is the intuition card, and somebody is getting some kind of intuition regarding you that you are up to something. 3 of Pentacles in the guidance energy will clarify, and Ace of Rods, something new at the end is whatever this is, you are going to make a decision. All right, let's see. Let's see what is this 3 of Wands in the overall energy. Why this 3 cards came up? 3 of Wands, the Hierophant and the Empress. What is the meaning? Why they have come up? What is the meaning? The Emperor and 2 of Wands. See, you're definitely waiting for someone. It's like the Empress and the Emperor three number, four number, and five number. It's like you are waiting for something who is very stable, with the Empress, the Emperor, and the Hierophant. It is like you want this communication, sorry, not communication, you want this relationship to work between these two, and you want it to work in a high level, might be a marriage, but you haven't told anyone about this thing. It is still hidden. You want to work on this issue, but there's a confusion in regarding with this thing. Might be two people involved in this situation, so you are confused whom to choose. That might be a reason, because you are hiding something. Page of Swords, what is this? Queen of Pentacles, might be a Capricorn, might be an Aqua, Capricorn, Pisces, Cancer. Let's see, what else do we have? Anything else? The Fool and Nine of Swords. All right. Yes, it's like you might be talking to someone during nights, because you are finding something more stable over here, and that is why you are hiding this stuff. Or might be the other person as well. It's both side. You would know which side you are in. The Moon, what is this Moon? Who is hiding? What is this hidden stuff? Judgment and Four of Wands. Okay, so you might be even married to this person. Either them, something is fishy over here, and someone is actually doing some kind of stuff over here, and which the other person wouldn't like. That is why the decision in regarding with this thing which you have taken before, or they have taken before, is actually, you don't want, it's that kind where you have entered in a relationship, let's say, in your past, and then what happened, you know that this is not the one for you. So the one who is actually the one for you, you are talking to that person, and you know that this is that table person, but you are going to marry this person, or you are already married with this person. Now what? So that energy, either you, either them. Let's see the Chariot. What is that? Subconscious. Chariot with the Four of Cups. What else? The World. You have decided to move on. You are done with this thing. You are not involved. You are not going to involve with this person. Deep down inside, you know the answer, that you are not involved with this person. You are done. You are not accepting. You are not picking up their calls, because you don't feel the same with them, the way they feel with you, or whether it's them. What is this Nine of Wands? I don't know why, but it is more of an energy where you are more into this thing. You are done with whatever you are dealing with. Nine of Wands, what is this? Nine of Wands in your conscious energy. Why is this Nine of Wands over here? Why is this Nine of Wands? Ten of Swords, see? Okay, what else? What else do we have other than Ten of Swords? The Star, and anything else? Okay, no. So this is Ten of Swords and the Star over here. So it's like you are not ready to be with this person anymore, because you are feeling like you are tired with this person. It is that kind of a feeling that there is no progress in this situation anymore. That is why you have decided, you have taken a stand in your past as well, I'm seeing, because you You know what is in front of you, then why are you still confused about this energy, about this person, whosoever this is? Let's see what is this Seven of Wands in your past energy. Sorry for all those noises. Eight of Swords. See, you were trapped. Okay, I don't need to clarify it more. Yes, I got it. You were trapped in the situation and you took a stand. You took yourself from the situation. See how just you knew that I cannot be in this relationship, in this trapping energy, in this situation. I have to make myself come out, and I have to, I have to fight more for myself. That is why you are fighting with people, fighting the people around you, and you have taken a stand for yourself over here. Let's see this Two of Wands in your future energies. Five of Wands, still fighting. And see, actually, it's a feeling that the path which you have chosen is not good for other people. It's like there are many judgments, people are judging you for whatever you have chosen. So there are many people who are actually, coming up that no, you are doing it wrong, no, whatever you are doing, it's wrong, why are you doing this, why are you leaving this person, or whatever the situation is, whatever situation you are in. People are there involved, and you are fighting for yourself because you know that it's right for you at the end. So that is why you are taking a decision. So you are done over here. Let's see the High Priestess in your environment. Why the High Priestess is here? The Lover's Justice. Yes, so they know that the choice has been made by you. They know, because a lot of major arcanas in their side, whatever this is, they know you have taken a decision. Whatever this is, they are not letting you know, but they know. Okay, let's see what is this Three of Pentacles in the guidance cards. Okay, so many cards are these. Two of Swords, Six of Swords, and King of Swords. A lot of Swords energy. You really want things to end fast because you have a lot of stuff to do. You have other fixings to do. That is why you are in that place where you want it done ASAP. Let's see what is this Ace of Rods at the end. Three of Wands. I think with which... Okay, let me explain you. Okay. Any other card for this? Three of Cups and... Okay, so many cards, sorry. King of Cups. Alright, I'll take this. And I will explain you what is the exact scenario. The things in which you are dealing with, actually they either it's the other person or the other situation, whatever that is, it is still not with you. You are still waiting for that person to come back into your life, or that situation to, it might be a new offer also. So you are ready, you are waiting, because you are waiting there with a cup in your hand. You are offering this cup, but that person haven't accepted this offer yet, because you are still waiting. See, and it's like you are ready to start this new relationship. You are ready, you are ending something for someone or something which has not even come towards you yet. You are still waiting for the other thing, but at least you have made your mind that you are not going to stay in this situation. You are moving on, whether that person or that situation will be there with you or not, but you are moving on. Okay, so let's see what are the guidance messages, any advice from the universe regarding the situation. What is this? Let's see. the Tower, the Fool, okay, the Star. All the three major arcanas, a strong message for you that the things are ending. If you're waiting for the reconciliation to happen, it might happen, but just do not take any decision like that. Whatever you want to end, it will end. Whatever you want to have in your life, you will have. But just be aware of the things coming towards you, because you really have to think before you do, because the Fool has come twice. So it means that you are ready for this thing. You're ready to explore new things in your life, but just make sure that just think about every minute details. Just take care of everything around you. That is the advice from the universe. So that's all from my side, my Geminis. I hope it helps. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.